Hello there. My name is Iron Star and I welcome you to Temmora Hero Suite. So you might be wondering, what is Temmora Hero Suite? Well, Temmora Hero Suite is a modular system designed for founders, designers, and developers who want flexible, beautiful hero layouts. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through every feature and show you exactly how to customize the templates for your projects. Let's get into it. Now, there are four basic changes I know every founder, designer, and developer to make whenever they get a template: the logo, the text, the color, and the images. Now, let's get started with the logo first. To simply edit the logo, you either double click from the nav, which will lead you to the logo components, the nav components. Then you double click and enter into the logo, or you simply head over to the assets panel and you'll see the components named full logo. That will lead you to the logo. Then you can simply edit the texts like I'm doing here by double clicking, or you can simply scroll down. On your right panel, you see context and you can input your logo text there and also select your logo font. Now, to simply upload the logo icon, you select it, and below at your right panel you see a small upload button there. You select it, select your logo, and voila, you have your logo. You can also adjust the sizing, but I'm going to stick with 30 pixels for my sizing. Now let me just simply select my nice white logo back again. Okay, now for the text. Well, editing the text is very simple. Simply double click and input your text. Header text. Yeah. And the best thing about this is that it updates all through the screen, so your tablet and mobile view, you get to see what it looks like. Another way is to also head to your right panel and you see the contents option there. You simply select it and input your header text, though most of you will probably prefer the first one. Now next is the image. For this template, I have a dark and light mode image that I want to preview on separate themes. So for that, I created a component, an image switch component, created with ChatGPT. So the purpose of this component is to enable auto image switch depending on the default user theme. So to simply use this, if you have two separate images for light and dark, simply click to upload your light image and click to upload your dark image. And once the user switches to light or dark, the image will also switch. Now, I also did the same for the small image. Now, once I switch to light mode, you can see that the image also changes to my light mode dashboard image. Another way to access it is through the assets panel. But now let's focus on the color. I have 5 separate colors I created for this template: the background, brand, surface, and text. The background, I created a light mode version and a dark mode version for the background images. You can of course use one version by simply inputting a 2 color codes for both. For my brand color, I have just one color for both light and dark. My surface color, which is any other content aside the background, and then my text color. My text color is obviously white for the dark mode and black for the light mode, as you can see here. So on light mode, the base text will be black. On dark mode, the base text will be white. Now that's it for the 4 basic details every designer and founder does on their templates. Inside this template, you'll find 2 navbar variations, 6 unique hero section structures, a timer component, my adaptive image component for both light and dark mode, 6 background styles with light and dark variants, and layouts that look clean on both teams. If you want to get this template at the time of posting this video, it's currently free for the next 48 hours on the Framer Marketplace, after which you'll be able to get it for just $25. I've also got another video where I go full detail on some of the extra features which you can customize on this template to suit it to your need. So please make sure to check it out and gain some extra steps on customizing this template to suit your business. Until next, have a beautiful, wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, or follow button so you can stay updated on the next template launch. Thank you once again for listening. Hope you have a great day.